Hello everybody, this is Derek, and within this video I'm going to show you how to import data from freestockcharts.com. What you do is when you're on free stock charts, go to the stock that you want and the time frame that you want. It's very important you select the current time frame that you want, whether it's 1 minute, 15, daily, whichever it is that you choose. And then you click on this export chart data. And for this example, we will pick only volume and the price. We won't do any of the comparisons or the moving averages. In fact, you can do your own moving averages within a spreadsheet. So we'll click on the export data and we'll click on SLV as the text file. And it's going to come out as a text file. So make sure you are aware of where you save it, because after you push the save button, nothing is going to pop out. You are going to have to locate the file yourself. So I will pause the tape and then bring up the SLV text file. Alrighty, we have a text file that shows the volume, which has got some pretty serious big numbers in here. And we also have the time, the open, the high, the low, the close. So what I'll do in here is I'll select all and copy everything within this text file. Open up a spreadsheet. Now I have Open Office as the spreadsheet program that I'm using. That is a free program, and I'm sure Excel would work just fine also. But what you do is you paste everything. And what we can see in here with this bottom part here is that everything is going to go in one column, which really wouldn't help us out too much. If you click on the comma button, that means that this will sort it in different columns. So we'll push on that and the OK. And there we go. We have ourselves some data within our stock market chart for whatever in a spreadsheet. So now we can make our own little charts, charts within here. And by highlighting these closing prices, we can click on this chart button, maybe get a nice little line chart for this, and boom, there we go. We got a nice little line chart for the SLV. Very, very nice. So we can also do a bunch of little different types of bar or candle charts. We'll do in here. This is a bar chart in here. You really don't see too much on this part here. Let me see if I could fix it up by fixing the scale a little bit. Okay, so does this look good? This does not look good. So what I'll do is I'll switch this over to a candlestick chart. This one did not look good whatsoever. There we go. There's a candlestick chart for silver. And I want to point out one quick thing also while I am here. Look at these times. Why it says 12 a.m. instead of 4 p.m. I don't know. But when you do it within the intraday like I did here, you noticed I got the 11:41 a.m. So if you're looking to import data, you might want to wait for the market to close before you actually get your data that you want. But this is a video for how to import data onto your spreadsheet, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.